Hey, what's going on, everybody?
How's it going, guys?
So, Alex is up here. We're going to Old Orchard on vacation starting tomorrow, but he came up a day early, which is awesome. And you might not recognize him anymore because he doesn't have any hair. He cut it all off.
Oh, yeah.
Which is awesome, too.
Got the old high and tight.
Yes, sir.
Not
so,
tight.
We're heading out to Great East Lake today. We're going to go try to fish shallow instead of fishing deep. It's 78 up here, which is about 5 degrees cooler than home, which is nice. The sun's out. There's a little bit of a wind, and we're going to see what we can catch. So, hopefully, we catch some fish, and I make a good video out of this, because I didn't when I made a video with Wally earlier this week. So, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Oh, fuck me.
No.
Backlash and I'm in the tree.
Oh, fuck.
Backlash complete. Tree work.
Got one.
That?
No.
Oh!
It's slapping the shit out of it.
Hell yeah.
All the way down. It was barely in his lip.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's get the first official weight of the day. .177.
All right, cool. Not too shabby. Nice. First one. Let's go.
Hell yeah. On the spinnerbait.
Got one? Let's go. Nice. Nice, nice. Let's go.
There we go. This little one. Good.
Let's go.
On the crankbait.
Oh, something just fucking wheeled me.
Huh?
Something got me. Little.
Yeah, out of the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right in front of it. Let's see if they're swimming now. Oh. They need to stop it.
Yeah.
A little bit. Nice. Right outside the tree. A couple twitches and it's just hanging.
Mm-hmm. Nice one.
Nice. Switch to the wormy. It's on the 10-inch.
fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fish.
I thought I was stuck on bottom,
That's a big fish.
and then I felt a little head shake. I was far out there, no clue.
It's got to be a big fish.
Definitely better quality. Motherfucker. How did he not cut that?
Let's get the clamps. Right next to you. Got it?
Yeah, it's thrown me out the
Huh?
That works. Whatever. See you. Hammered it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was just like I was on the bottom and I felt a little thump thump. I was like, oh, that wouldn't be. Good. Oh! I didn't even get to see it. Fuck. Good fish?
Yep.
Well, I was 100% out. She was
I heard the gloop.
Yep. Yep.
Fish, Maury.
Super warm.
Wife.
No. I will take this one.
Yes, sir.
Oh, 192. I beat you. Come on, stop.
Almost two.
Almost a 2. Not quite.